Durian, locally known as Bagyong Ramin, has begun impacting communities. Heavy rain and strong winds are affecting Albay and nearby provinces. Authorities have issued warnings for low-lying areas as flooding and landslides are already reported. Emergency teams are on standby to assist residents who need evacuation. Conditions are worsening this evening with continuous rains and gusty winds. Residents are urged to remain indoors and secure their homes.
Thank you, Samantha. I'm Dayan Saldua, reporting from the studio. Pag-asa confirms that Typhoon Durian entered the Philippine Area of Responsibility on November 29, 2006, and has intensified into a super typhoon. The typhoon is expected to remain over Bicol until the early hours of December 1, bringing heavy rain and strong winds. Residents in Albay should be especially careful as lahar flows from Mayon volcano have already been reported. Evacuation centers are open, and people are urged to follow local advisories. Power outage and flooding continue in several municipalities.
Good morning, I'm Kian So, here with the 7-day forecast for the Typhoon Durian. Let's break it down day by day with approximate times. Day 1, November 29, 8 a.m. Cloudy, light rain, moderate winds, early warnings issued. 2 p.m. Overcast, moderate rain, winds strengthening. 11 p.m. Continuous rain, gusty winds. Day 2, November 30, landfall day. 8 a.m. Heavy rain, strong winds, flooding begins. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Extremely heavy rain, typhoon makes landfall in Bicol. Day 3, December 1, peak impact. 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Torrential rain, strong winds, lahar flows from Mayon volcano. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Heavy rain continues, flooding and landslide. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Rain weakening slowly, winds decreasing, rescue operations underway. 11 p.m. Heavy rain continues in some areas, communities remain severely affected. Day 4, December 2, exit stage. 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Cloudy scattered rain, moderate winds. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Rain decreases, light winds. 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Showers mostly gone, calm winds, relief and cleanup continue. Day 5, December 3, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Partly cloudy, occasional light rain, light winds. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Mostly cloudy, isolated showers. 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Clear skies, calm winds, roads reopening. Day 6, December 4, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Mostly fair, isolated showers, calm winds. 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Fair with occasional clouds. December 5, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Fair weather, minimal rain, calm winds. 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Sunny to partly cloudy. 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Clear skies, calm winds, normal conditions return. Residents are advised to stay alert for residual hazards such as flooding and debris. While the typhoon is leaving, recovery efforts continue across affected provinces.
Emergency teams continue assisting families in need, providing food, water, and temporary shelters. Back to you, Diane.
Thank you, Samantha. To all viewers, please stay safe. Avoid flooded areas and follow local advisories. That's all from our Typhoon Durian coverage. We'll continue to provide updates as conditions evolve. Thank you.